Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to ship in Shopify. So in order to ship, just you have to set up your product completely and after that when you completely set up your product, so in next just you have to make the order, and after setting up products and order, so now in order to ship you have to verify the payment method and add your credit card. So here you can find how you can proceed the Shopify shipping. Just because I don't have premium package, so I cannot show this, but you can find here how to proceed the Shopify shipping. So just read all the instructions here one by one, and here you can see the shipping carriers and fulfillment location here. So also read all this. So in this way you can easily ship products in Shopify.